Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a zone on a DSC panel. To begin, you'll need to access the Installer Programming menu. This is typically done by entering your 4-digit or 6-digit installer code, followed by the asterisk key. Once inside, navigate to the Zone Programming section. This usually involves pressing a specific function key or entering a module number. Make sure you have your installer code handy before starting this process. Now that you're in the zone programming, locate the specific zone number you intend to delete. For example, if you want to remove zone 1, you would enter 01. Next, to clear the zone's programming, you'll typically enter 000 or 0000 depending on your panel model. This action effectively erases all associated settings for that particular zone, making it inactive within your security system. After clearing the zone's programming, it's crucial to confirm the deletion. First, exit the zone programming section and then exit the installer programming entirely. You can then test the zone by attempting to trigger it. It should no longer register as an open or faulted zone on your panel. Additionally, verify that the zone is no longer displayed or active in your system's zone list, ensuring a successful removal. Before making any changes, understand the impact of deleting a zone on your overall security system. Removing a zone means that area will no longer be monitored. Always consult your specific DSC panel's installation manual for precise instructions, as steps can vary slightly between models. If you're unsure or dealing with a complex setup, consider seeking assistance from a qualified security professional to avoid unintended consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.